Hi, Carlosyaz, how are you? So I want to show you how I made my pozole. One of my friends helped me to recording this video. So right now I only use chicken. This kind of product. It is also for chicken and also water. So the first step is we put the chicken into the water. Make sure you have your hands clean. And then I will open this one. And you need to put 2 spoons only, okay? Like that. 1 and 2. That's it. And we are waiting until the chicken is done, and I will continue. So, when the chicken is done, you need to shrug the chicken like this one, and then the water is hot, so you need to use the Mexican, um, I don't know the name exactly, but it's these ones, and you need to put in here everything. So this one is gonna be with water, but you need to put the water on, remove the water and also only use that one. Everything is gonna be here, separate, right? And then you need to use oregano. You will put a little bit oregano. So it's gonna be like that, a little bit, okay? And then the chicken, like that. Of course, you can put more chicken or whatever you want. And then you need to waiting until the pozole is boiling. You can include a little more water, but only be careful because you need to dry a little bit with the spoon like that. Dry it. The flavor is good. That's perfect. Don't put salt because when the chicken that we used in the beginning, that is enough. So, and then I will show you how you need to wait a little bit until this one is open. So I will show you when this one is open that you can see the reference, okay? So when this one is done, you can try it. So I made some skittle on early, but I forget to do the video. But let's continue with the pozole. So right now I am get the onion. So whatever is depend how much you like the onion, you can put whatever the quantity that you want it. But this one you will put it in the bowl when the pozole is ready. And then I cut the cilantro. Of course, you need to wash this one before. Make sure everything is done before. And so let's wait until the pozole is done, and I will show you how you can eat it. So I made this pozole is for Jasper. As you see, it's identified as a Jasper bowl. So the pozole is boiling. Turn off the oven, and then I serve in the bowl. Go. So we can put onion, cilantro, whatever quantity that you like it. Also, you can put the chili. This is very spicy, so I use a little bit only because it's so spicy. Putting it all the way. And then lemon. This is so important. And your pozole is ready to enjoy and everything. So good. Try it and let me know. So, how we eat the pozole? We take some tostadas, whatever you like it doesn't matter. And then you will need cream, sour cream. Also, it doesn't matter the mark. You can get a little bit. Put this one here in the tostada. And then you are ready to enjoy your pozole with your tostada. Okay? This is all the steps. Bye bye.